So a couple of tips, going into the studio to sing. First off, make sure that you drink a lot of water before you go in. Don't go ham. Don't go partying the night before. Get a lot of sleep. A lot of things of singing and giving a good performance is common sense, but a lot of people tend to overlook it. So, drink a lot of water, get good sleep, drink some tea before you go into the studio. Warm up in your car, sing to the radio, whatever you like to do to just get the cords lubricated and exercised right before you go in. And if it's your first time going in the studio, I would just say stay calm, because a lot of times, especially people going in for the first time, can you get inside your own head and overthink, and you really just need to relax. It's singing, it's music, it's supposed to be fun. And another thing, kind of on the technical side, is to I find keeping like your headphone volume, don't crank it. You'll tend to sing sharp if you've got it really loud in your headphones. And let's see what else. I like to sing with an ear off, like a headphone off, so you can hear yourself in the room and you can hear what's going on, musically. And those are, probably my top. I don't know how many that was. Probably 6 tips to, going in and tracking a good vocal.